Hello everybody. Today I am going to show how to draw this cola bottle in SolidWorks. So let's begin. At first open a new window and select part. Okay. Now click on sketch, and from here I'm selecting sketch, and there are three planes. I'm selecting the front plane, and at first select center line and draw a center line at first. Now select line and draw lines. So now join this one. Okay. Now go to smart dimension and take this one 13 millimeter, and from this point to this line take this one 13.5 millimeter. Now from this point to this line take this one 11 millimeter. From this point to this line take this one 11.5 millimeter. Okay, not 11.5, actually it is 14 millimeter, and from this point to this point is 11.5 millimeter, and from this point to this point it is 4 millimeter. Now from this point to this point it is 9 millimeter. And from this point to this line it is actually 13 millimeter. Okay, now here is this one. Now I'm just deleting these two lines. Okay, now select line and just join this one. Okay, now again select smart dimension and take this length 60 millimeter. Take this one down. Okay. Move this one and actually take this one down. Now delete this one. Now go to smart dimension and from this point to this point take this one 20 millimeter and take this one 15 millimeter. Okay, Actually I don't need this one right now. Okay, no problem, so carry on. Take this one 110 millimeter, select line and draw this one. Smart dimension, and from this line to this point make this one 30. Okay, skip this one, so select this two, delete this one, this dimension also, and also delete this one, this dimension also. So I'll take this one later. Now draw this one. Okay, now go to smart dimension and take this length 7.5, this point to this line is 30, and this one, take this one 25. Okay, now select line, join these two and go to smart dimension and take this dimension 15 millimeter. Okay, now go to features and select extruded boss or base. Okay, so this is our primary shape of our cola bottle. Now click on shell and take this one 4 millimeter. Now click here and click OK. So this is the vacant space. Now click on fillet, take this one 20 millimeter and click here and also click here. Okay, now for this one click on fillet, take this one 10 millimeter, select this one, okay, again select fillet and now take this one 1 millimeter. Now select this one, and finally this one. Okay, now again select fillet, also it is 1. Now select this one, and also this one. Okay, so we have got the shape of our bottle. Now we need to apply the material. Now click here and from appearance you go to glass and select glass and just apply anyone. So this is our glass, and now change the background. Now for this one go to scene, and from this one select presentation scene, or studio scene, and just apply anyone. Okay, so this is our dessert cola bottle, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.